Which fruit can float on water because it is 25% air? Apples are buoyant because about 25% of their volume is air.
Which fruit is native to New Zealand? Kiwi fruit is considered New Zealand's national fruit, named after its national bird.
Which fruit is mostly made of water? Watermelon is over 90% water. Which fruit is known for star shape? When cut crosswise, starfruit shows a perfect star shape. Which fruit has a tough outer shell and is often associated with tropical beaches? Coconuts have a hard outer shell and are commonly found in tropical coastal regions.
Thanks for watching!